Hi, I'm Nicola Cole and I am the Key Account Manager for Scotland for VTCT Skills, and we are here today in PeterJames Scalp and Hair Clinic in the centre of Edinburgh. PeterJames Scalp and Hair Clinic is one of our fantastic employers that we work with in partnership with Ambition Centre for Training.
Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm doing an apprenticeship at PeterJames Hairdressing for my level 5 in hairdressing. My role at PeterJames Hairdressing is I'll clean up after clients, get them teas, coffees. I often watch haircuts, colours, just to get a hands-on learning environment. I've always had an interest in hairdressing, so I wanted to do an apprenticeship because I feel it's more hands-on and you can learn the environment of like fast-paced and just what it's actually like to be in a salon as a hairdresser and rather than at college. Peter allows me to get in 3 models a week. And any one of those can be assessments, and if I pass or I fail, it'll tell me what I need to work on just to improve that little bit further. One of the things I really like about my apprenticeship is I do have a lot of support in the salon, and I also have further support with Ambition, just to get all my theory work and my tests done. So I have changed salon a couple of times, and I just think it's about finding the right environment for you. Every salon obviously is different as well, because Peter really gets into the science behind all the products and the hair and the colour and the scalp. My proudest moment in my apprenticeship was my pixie cut. It's the second hardest cut you can do, and I passed it on my second try. And I just think that's through all the support that I've gotten through the salon and Ambition. Being in an apprenticeship, it's made me think about my future a lot, and I'd definitely like to have a salon one day and just have a full clientele. I'd recommend an apprenticeship because you definitely get a more idea of what it's like being in the salon.
Hi, I'm Peter. I am one of the directors at PeterJames Scalp and Hair Clinic. I was an apprentice myself, and actually being in a salon environment where I was able to learn firsthand, not just on a model one-to-one, but then seeing the skills actually on a client after that session was so important. And Ollie came to us from a different salon where she felt that she wasn't able to thrive, and that's quite a regular occurrence. And her being able to actually be enthusiastic about hair again and thrive at her own pace in a salon's been so important. And it's been amazing seeing her develop from when she first started to now. Confidence levels as a person has been astronomical. I mean, Ollie started with us quiet as a mouse, and now you can't get her to shut up, which is great, and we love that. We're always looking for new talent. Today we've actually got a new start, Harry, who has been struggling to find an apprenticeship at the moment in Edinburgh. He walked in, handed in his CV, which we don't find nowadays as often. And actually it's so nice being able to see new talent that's just so excited about what they're doing and so excited about the hair industry. For our business, apprentices are integral to our growth. We find it really important that we're doing in-house training because for standard control especially, we've got continuity for all our clients. It means that all of our clients can go in with any of the hairdressers in the salon and that we've got that peace of mind too. We work with Ambition quite closely when we're doing assessment work. So I'm the assessor in the salon, and we create an action plan together that works for that specific individual. And we do find that process is really, really helpful for the individual on expectation. So we don't feel pressured into over workload or anything. So I actually completed my level 3 with Ambition Centre for Training. So the whole team that we've had coming in and out of the salon, working with the girls and guys that we've had in, I've known for years. So it becomes like a bit more like a close-knit family, and everyone knows everyone. Everyone as a team just gels together, and such a community around us at the salon as well, with the clients that we've got coming in, and it feels quite special actually. We do have a special manager in the salon, Lola. She's our client service manager, and she's actually one of 4, so she's the youngest one that we have in the salon. She's on shift, the rest have got a break today. Yeah, so she, you know, oh, a wee bark there as well. She's like, yes, I am.
I'm here at PeterJames Hairdressing for an apprenticeship, and it's my first day. And I'm really excited just to start the apprenticeship and just start learning. I dropped my CV in, which I had been to quite a lot of different salons and dropped it in. But I felt when I came here, I did kind of get a good feel for it, and they emailed me basically straight away saying, coming in for an interview. And then I felt like the interview went really well, and I definitely really am glad that it's this salon. I chose an apprenticeship because I felt I wanted to learn on the job, and I prefer learning in more years rather than sort of condensed into one. And I prefer just learning on the job, and I prefer it being on like a one-to-one, so you're not with loads of people, so I find it easier.
The fantastic thing about this partnership and training is it's quite unique in the fact that the salon owners themselves came through the apprenticeship programme with ambition and then took on board nurturing apprentices themselves through their own programme. The great thing about an apprenticeship in hairdressing is there's absolutely a salon for everybody. A perfect example of this is Ollie, and Ollie has worked her way through several salons until she's found her fit, and here she is now in PeterJames and thriving in her apprenticeship programme. A piece of advice that I would give every potential apprentice is get out there. Go into your local area, see every salon in the area and show up. Drop your CV in and let them know you're serious about a career in hairdressing.